This is problem number 4 from section 7-5. It says a simple random sample will be obtained from a normally distributed population. Find the minimum sample size needed to be 95% confident that the sample standard deviation S is within 10% of sigma, the population standard deviation. In such a sample, is such a sample size practical in most cases? So this is just a table similar to what you have in your book, and unlike obtaining sample sizes for estimating the mean and the proportion, this which requires a formula and some computation, this actually is just a table given where the formula and computation has already been done for you. So all we need to do is read the table. It says here minimum sample size needed to be 95% confident. So between these two rows, we're looking at the top row, 95% confident. The other option is 99% confident. So we want to look at 95% confident. Sample standard deviation S is within 10%. So with a 10% error, it looks like the value we're looking for is 192. So let's type 192 in, check our answers. Okay, and the next question is the sample size practical? The options are no, because it's difficult to find exactly a number of samples in most application. I don't think that's the correct answer. Yes, because sample size should be as large as possible for most of its application. That might be good. Yes, because sample size is small enough to be practical for most applications. And I would think this is a correct one. Let's take a look at D. No, because the sample size is excessively large to be practical. 192 may seem large for a study, but in most cases I think it's okay. It's not really that big. When you're looking at 19,000, then that might be too big of a sample size. But I think C would be enough for this. And let's check it. Okay, looks like we got it correct.